BD1410B3 sachet filling and sealing machine. The volumetric piston pump relies on the reciprocating motion of the piston to periodically change the volume in the pump cylinder to achieve the suction and discharge of liquid. It adopts high-temperature resistant sealing O-rings, polytetrafluoroethylene pistons, SUS304 piston rod and pump body, an angle seat valve, air-tack cylinder. They are suited to -2110 degrees Celsius liquid long time running. It does not change the physical properties of the product. It can fill both low viscosity liquids and high viscosity paste, and so on. The filling volume is 5 ml to 1000 ml adjustable. One pump cylinder feed one sachet. It has less than or equal to ±1% filling accuracy only. It is widely used in liquid products such as fruity drinks, juice, natural juice, yogurt, milk drinks, egg tofu, ice pops, popsicles, cooking oil, palm oil, chili sauce, cheese sauce, jelly, jam, honey, sports gel, cleaning supplies, energetic drinks, healthy drinks, and so on. Equipped with 8 sets of patented anti-drip filling valves, it can effectively prevent dripping and splashing on the sachet outside and machine parts during the filling process, reducing waste and avoiding safety hazards caused by leaks. No splashing, and fewer leaks. It adopts SUS304 sheets and tubes mainly. Delta DVP6DC PLC system control. Delta BD1410B3 touchscreen visualization operation interface. Chint electrical equipment. Omron power supply and proximity switches. Air-tack cylinders. And WSNS pneumatic components. Compared with BD1410B2, it is wider and higher, making it easier to operate and can increase by 300 to 500 sachets per hour. The filling and sealing can be controlled via mushroom push-button switches and 4 sets of toggle switches. Unique hot sealing unit, seal suitable location and firm, and avoid squeezing hands. The various shapes of pre-made sachets are a popular liquid packaging shape method. It can be made of PE, aluminum plastic, paper plastic, and composite package materials. It is a novel form of customized flexible packaging, with diverse modeling, reliable measurement, seal firm, easy to use, and low cost. Pipe fittings for CIP is easy to clean pipeline of machine. Pipe TIG welding, pipe argon filled and back purging. Welding processes of pipe fittings are particularly suitable for the feeding of milk, cheese sauce, yogurt, dairy, high viscosity liquid, gel. No cleaning dead angle and no garbage. MY380F solid ink roll coding machine can code before filling. PVC belt conveyor are available as an option device. Automatic delivery of finished products to the next process. Aluminum profiles and SUS304 frames are available. Warranty and shelf life. A different model is equipped with corresponding free spare parts and tools. 12-month warranty. Lifetime service. We provide one printed manual and one USB disc, which contain detailed instruction videos on how to install, operate, maintain, and repair. We provide 24-hour online after-sales service via WhatsApp, WeChat, Messenger, and email. Through the above methods, since the company was founded in October 2013, there has been no customer need to provide on-site services. Greatly reduces maintenance costs for customers.